Okay, welcome to another snack review. Okay, special guest, Kizzy. Come on in. You say hello? No, you can't. You can't go there. That's not happening. Okay, so leaving the healthy snacks behind. That's right. I ordered a bunch of American snacks and products from a American website. You can get there's loads of different ones. I can't remember what mine's called. American Soda or American Sweets.co.uk or something. Anyway, for my first American snack, I want to try something that's iconic that I hear about all the time on the different sort of American shows that you would watch. You hear people go on about or mention them a lot, and that's Twinkies, which I have never ever had before. So, bun Twinkies, made by Hostess. Golden sponge cake with cream A filling. There we go. I've never tried these before, ever. So I'm quite excited to see what they taste like. And you are getting none. There we go. Take one out. They're individually wrapped. Okay. So they look like just normal sort of sponge. Yeah, it just has a normal sort of cake, spongy cake smell about it. Nothing too incredible. You can see where they put the cream in at the bottom, which I think is a bit tacky. There we go. Okay, there we go. So, this is my first ever Twinkie. Here we go. It's the sponge has almost like a golden syrup taste to it. On the outside, you can sort of see it's got a little bit of a glaze. I don't know if you can see that shine. Definitely has a sweet taste to it. The cream's really thick, really full. There's really that's meant. I'm lost for words. You see that there? You can't have any, I'm sorry. It's all gone. Anyway, that was really nice. Sweet, creamy. I assume it's really bad for you, so you can't be eating many of them in a go or you'll end up like me. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please like this video. This is the start of me doing a long list of American treats. I do videos every Wednesday, or I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So look out for them. And yeah, tell a friend. Bye for now.